Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding from bread. First, gather your stale bread, about 6 cups worth, and tear it into small 1-inch pieces. This helps it absorb the liquid evenly. Next, place these bread pieces into a large mixing bowl. Pour in 2 cups of milk, ensuring all the bread is moistened. Allow this mixture to sit for at least 15 minutes, or until the bread becomes wonderfully soft and fully saturated. This initial step is crucial for a smooth, creamy pudding texture. Now, let's create the rich custard that will bind our pudding together. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 large eggs until they are well combined. Then, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, mixing thoroughly. For that classic warmth, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of nutmeg. Finally, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and gently incorporate it into your egg mixture. This creates a smooth, aromatic base for our delicious bread pudding. With both components ready, it's time to bring them together. Pour your beautifully crafted custard mixture directly over the softened bread in the large bowl. Gently fold everything together until the bread is evenly coated with the custard. Next, transfer this entire mixture into a greased 8x8-inch baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Bake your pudding in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until it's golden brown and set. Once your bread pudding emerges from the oven, golden and fragrant, let it cool for about 10 minutes. This brief resting period allows it to set perfectly. Serve it warm, perhaps with a light dusting of powdered sugar or a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream for an extra touch of indulgence. For future batches, feel free to experiment by adding 1/2 cup of raisins or chocolate chips to the bread mixture before baking. Enjoy this comforting, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.